Okay, today we're here to review this Kit Kat package that I got from Critical Eats Japan, and it's called Halloween Break, and it's supposed to be a sweet potato flavored. And then there's inside the package I saw 5 different little pictures on them, and it says talking hands, and it's got like a sign language. So this one says I love you. And I don't know what the rest of these say because they're in Japanese. So let's open one up. White chocolate colored. They smell like sweet potatoes. Oh, they do kind of taste like sweet potatoes too. What's that one dish called with the sweet potatoes and the marshmallows on it for Thanksgiving? It's kind of like what this tastes like, except without the marshmallows. Yeah, if you like sweet potatoes, this is a really good one. So yeah, the Japanese Kit Kat makers seem to get the flavors a little better sometimes than the American ones do. Yeah, thank you to Paul at Critical Eats Japan for sending me this. It's one of my Patreon items. I know that Japan wasn't allowing, or actually no, Japan was allowing mail to go out, but some countries, including the U.S., was not allowing mail to come in from other countries. So I guess they finally lifted that. So he sent a box with like 6 different items in it from previous Patreons that he wasn't able to send out. So this was one of them. So anyways, thank you, Paul. So I'm going to give this a A, because it does have a sweet potato flavor to it. And so please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.